JDM.
With a Z.
What a gas station is.
This is how you pump gas.
I know how to pump gas.
You drive a Tesla. This is a gas station.
Which I've been to before.
How?
Which I've done before.
How? You drive a Tesla. That's the pump stopping. Okay, here we have a 2001 Honda Stepwagon. So, kind of angry. I mean, it's lunchtime, right? So I left the crib. I walked outside. I was talking to Turtle, and then I realized it was raining. I ran inside, changed my clothes, put on some rain gear, and came back outside, and it stopped raining. Oh my god. So now I'm like overdressed for the occasion. But I was rushing. Oh. Ooh. This car's rough, bro. Interior is rough. But I was rushing because today's port day. Oh yeah, look at that. Today's port day. We're picking up 5 cars and we're sending them to the port today. I like this though. This is, but I feel like it'll get dirty really quickly. But like this is like super rare. Like I've never seen yellow like this. Yeah, we're getting 5 cars to the port today. So I'm like rushing. So we're moving. Man, this thing is banged up on every corner. This bumper's hanging and swinging. This bumper's hanging and swinging with some zip tie love. Some zip tie love here, hanging and swinging. Man. A little bit. They did not love this car, I tell you what. 112,000 kilometers. This should have a K-swap in it. And it is, I don't know if it's all-wheel drive or not. Yeah, K-swap. This should be K20 or K24. I don't know. VTEC. Damn. Zip ties all the way through. This one is a, what year is it? Oh, it's a June car. So that means we could put it, oh, next month. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so this one doesn't have to wait at all. Thanks for that. I do like the door shit. Ooh. Reminds me of the dollar vans in New York City back in the day. Instead of riding the bus, you ride the dollar van. That's kind of cool. Ashtray shit. Damn. Fog lights. Parking pole. Well, this one's here. I don't really know what RF3 means. I think RF3 is all-wheel drive. I don't know. I can't tell. Look. I need 2 hands for this one. I mean, it's got some options and shh. They did not love this car, I tell you that. It's just banged up. That's why it's so cheap. It's just banged up. does have the full body kit on there though, which is cool. So if somebody wanted to like bring this back to life, you could. Would need a lot of love. But yeah, this one's here. So if you need this one, let me know.